Hello all. Our experiment number 2 is to determine the amount of free chlorine in a given sample. So free chlorine is available after the disinfection of water. Now the apparatus used in this experiment is burette, pipette, Meyering flask, Kl solution, glacial acetic acid, starch, hypo solution, Na2S2O3 solution of 0.06 normality. Now the reactions between the Ki plus chloride making potassium chloride plus iodide. So starch making with the iodide formed starch iodide complex. The theory of this experiment is the germicide action of chloride gas depend upon the following reactions. Hypochlorous acid and nascent oxygen both are powerful germicides. If chlorine is more than a certain limit, it will make potable water unfit for drinking purposes. So, because it is injurious to human metabolism process, therefore it is necessary to determine its amount in municipal water to iodide Ki take place by the free chlorine present in the water. Now, what is the procedure to doing this test is, first of all, we have to wash the apparatus with distilled water and fill the burette which is used for the titration process with hypo solution and take the initial reading. After taking the initial reading, taking the 10 ml of water sample in the conical flask and then add the 2 to 3 ml of glacial acetic acid. Then add the starch and add 1 to 2 ml of Kl solution. Now titrate the water sample with hypo till the solution in the conical flask become faint yellow. Add hypo drop wise with constant shaking till the blue colors disappear. It indicates the end point. Note down again the burette reading. Now repeat the titration till the same reading is obtained. Thank you so much. Welcome to Environmental Engineering Lab. So we are going to perform our next experiment, that is to find out the free chlorine from given sample water. Here I am taking the sample of water. By adding the NaOH solution, its colors turns into brownish. This is the Meyering flask, starch and our solution. So I'm going to start the titration process, and its colors, whenever I adding the hypo solution in it, that is potassium iodide, its colors turns from brownish to yellow. So let us start. Slowly I am adding the solution in it. Shake it well, mix it thoroughly so that our solutions turns from brownish to yellow. Make sure that whenever you start this titration process, first of all taking the initial reading, whenever it turns its colors from brown to yellow, the final reading comes out and note down on the board. Precautions please taking while you handling these acids and solutions. Try to take your eyes on the solution so that the other harmfulness is not happen. Now clearly see the color of our conical flask solution turns brown to yellow. So the objective of find out the free chlorine in a given water sample is complete. Thank you so much.